Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got to another video. In this video I'll show you how you can create account on Ria Money Transfer, but before that please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, let's get started. So to do so, first thing first, make sure you have downloaded the updated version of the app and then go ahead, open it. Then simply allow the access. I'm going to do it allow while using the app, don't allow, and I'm going to accept the conditions, ask app not to track. And once you over here, we have two options of simply signing in and register. So we're going to go to register. Since you would like to create an account, we're going to choose our country. We're going to go ahead, so our country of residence will be stated over there. We're going to tap on yes or no. If you don't want, when we tap on no, then we will have to add our email and password. We can choose no to do that. If you are simply reside in the United States, you can go ahead tap on yes as well. Then go ahead, enter your email. Once you've added the email address and the password, go tap on this option of continue. So since I do not reside and the correct reason is showing me the errors, but once I've added the information, you will tap on continue and you will get a verification, and that is basically it. That's how you will be able to create yourself an account and you're good to go. So hope this video helped. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys in our next video.